Hi everyone, welcome back to DevOps Bunker. I'm doing a lot of videos around Jenkins which will cover full course. So please subscribe so that you will get the updates. So let's start. In this video, we are going to learn about Jenkins jobs, like what are different types of Jenkins jobs we have in Jenkins and what are the use cases of those jobs. Whenever you are going to create a new job, so you will be able to see a lot of jobs here. So especially we are talking about these jobs. So let's start. As I mentioned, we have different types of Jenkins: Freestyle project, Maven project, pipeline job, multi-configuration, folder job, multi-branch pipeline job, and final one is organization folder. So we will talk about each one of them. I'm only covering important one which are regularly in use. So first one is Freestyle project. This is a basic job and you can create it and configure easily with the GUI steps. It will be very useful when you want to run the scripts like Shell, Python, and some other languages that you can run. It supports SCM also, like you will be able to clone the repository and work with the repository. If you want to perform any activities within the repository, then you can do it with help of Freestyle project. And build triggers, it supports build triggers also. That means that you can define how or when you want to run this job. Next one is Maven project. A Maven project is a like specialized freestyle project optimized for Maven builds. If you're working with the Java project and you want to compile the code with help of Maven 2, then this job will be suitable for us. It will provide Maven configuration step to compile the code. Pipeline jobs. These are most powerful jobs. You can write the code in Jenkins file or in the directly in the job itself. So basically, this is as a pipeline as a code. It supports complex workflows. Yes, you can customize the requirement with help of coding, and good for automation and CI/CD. Yes. A small request. Please subscribe to the channel if you like the content. It really encourages me to make more videos and courses like this. Now coming back to the video, multi-branch pipeline. So whenever you launch this multi-branch pipeline, right? So it will scan the complete repository. If it detects a new branch, then it will create a new job for it automatically. This is the purpose of multi-branch pipeline. So it auto discovers the branches in Git, creates separate pipelines per branch, useful for large projects with many developers. Folder job. So it will help us to group the projects. For example, in any project we have a lot of jobs which are related to only one project. Then you can create one folder and you can move all jobs to that particular folder so that you will be able to identify easily. Grouping multiple projects or jobs to folder, good for large organizations. That's it, guys. If you feel that this content is helpful, please subscribe. It will encourage me to make more content like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Jai Hind.